Assalamu alaikum. Myself Sandy Doctor ID 1044 from Group 15. Now I will explore our project. Let's get started. Problems that solve my software. Many students struggle with cooking due to lack of experience, time, or resources. Our app addressing this by providing easy to follow recipes, video tutorials, and the platform to share and discover meals tailored for the student lifestyle. Key features and technology. We have home section here, cooking tips, easy recipe, kitchen tips, and health tips button. We have all recipe where a user can see all recipe, how to cook. Here user can see cooking related video, and a marketplace where a user can create an account, login, and post a recipe, and also buy any item from here. Then we have a feature, contact feature. From here, any user can contact with us. And finally, a search box where a user can search any recipe by recipe name. Now, we introduce which technology is used in our project. For the front-end development, we use HTML, CSS, Bootstrap 5, and JavaScript. For the backend, we use Node with Express.js, and as a database, we use MongoDB. Finally, we connect and deploy it on Git. Now, let me show our project demo. Here, the logo of Bachelor's recipe, home section. By clicking easy recipe, we can see easy recipe tips and rest of all. By clicking all recipe, we can see all recipe here. By view recipe button, we can see the recipe details from here. And if we want to delete a picture from here dynamically, we can delete it by clicking delete image button. Now, how to cook section. Here, if we click any kind of here, we can see cooking related video from here. In marketplace section, we can create account and we can log in from here. If we log in here, after login, we see a option post a recipe. From here, we can post any recipe. And here we see a food market. If we want to order any food, we can click order now button. From here, a user can order any recipe. In contact section, if a user wants to contact with us, he or she will contact. Here we see a search box. If we search a recipe name here, we can see the result here, spicy chicken biryani. Scrolling here, here we see a carousel item. After 10 seconds, every item will be appear here. A drop-down menu and a beautiful footer. The Bachelor's recipe app empowers students to embrace cooking, fostering independence and healthier eating habits. Future plan of our project: meal planning. Schedule your meals for the week. Nutritional information. Get detailed insights into your meals. Community forums. Engage with fellow users, share tips and tasks, and ask questions. Join us in revolutionizing the student cooking experience. So in future, we can add this section in our project. That's all about our project. Thank you.